how much money I made with cashback through EtherFi Cash Card referrals. Hello guys, it's Johnny time, and a few weeks ago I started creating content about EtherFi Cash Card because I'm truly excited about the product and I use it myself since I found it every single day for my crypto purchases. I use my Apple Pay to pay with crypto and get up to 11% cashback on every transaction. I also use the vaults to stake my USDC and earn more than 10% APY on my US dollars while they're spendable. And I wanted to spread the word and show my audience the best crypto card out there in my opinion. And I also shared my referral link, so when you use it, you get extra $50 on the first $1,000 spent. Now, in this video today, I want to show you how much money I made through this referral link in around 2 weeks, because I know it's an interesting topic and I want to be transparent and just show you just the numbers. So it's going to be super exciting, and without further ado, let's get started. So this is the EtherFi Cash Card dashboard, and as you can see, I already achieved the Locks membership. Also because I spend a lot, and also I stake some liquid USD to generate APY on my stablecoins. So I get nice points. Looking forward to get to the next step in the membership level. And now I'm gonna go here and click Refer and Earn, and we can see right here that every friend that I refer, I get 1% cashback. Now, if we go here to the right side, we can see that I referred 102 members and I earned almost $350. So this is 1% of all of their transactions for 1 year, which is pretty cool. By the way, if you want to contribute to this number to go higher while getting extra $50 when you spend the first $1,000, you get cashback of extra $50, which essentially increases your cashback by 5%. Just use the link in the description below while supporting my channel and getting extra $50. So it will be awesome. Maybe we'll make an update of how many referrals we got. So $350 means that my referrals used, let's make it 10 times more, $35,000 they already spent using their EtherFi card, which shows how much they love the product and they use it like myself, because it's not only that I get this cashback, they're also getting 3% cashback in SCR scroll tokens where they can sell right away, they're liquid, and also they get this ETHFi token, which essentially just appreciating in price in the past month. And it's not liquid, but I think in 2 or 3 days it's going to be liquid. It's a temporary promotion where you get extra 3% cashback in EtherFi tokens. So it's a win-win. And also they get this extra $50. So it's essentially 11% cashback on the first $1,000. And then it goes down to 6% cashback. So it's super exciting to see that I made $250 from their 35K spending, but they also made like 10 times more than that, 11 times more. So they made like 3.4K US dollars cashback, which is incredible. Now, if I click here, view cashback earned, you can see here all the dashboard and they show me exactly like every transaction that my referral did. There is no association between who made this transaction and just time and amount of cashback. And I get a cashback right away to my wallet. So it's pretty cool. Now here there is the leaderboard, guys. I'm already on the 16th place with 102 referred users. Would be cool if I can climb to top 10 or top 5. Maybe you can help me do that. Would be awesome. And then you can also start referring your friends and family to start using this awesome product, and you will get 1% cashback whenever they spend using the EtherFi card. I like their motivation sentences here. You're just one tweet away, yada, 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 from going viral and getting a lot of referrals. Or 10 cars were bought with cash card and so on and so on. For the average referrer earns enough cashback to buy a cappuccino per week. Very cool sentences. I just do have one problem with EtherFi in general and referrals is that a lot of the users that are referred, as you can see over here, are not approved. You can see that they have the signed up status and not earning cashback, which essentially means that they either didn't get approved with a KYC process or the EtherFi team, or they didn't start using and getting and using the card, which sucks. So I think I have only like 20 users, so 20 to 30 users that actually started using the product from all the users that signed up. So if you're out there and you sign up using my link, you couldn't get approved, feel free to write your details in the comment section below or privately to me. If you're in certain countries, they don't approve it yet, but I do have a direct channel with the marketing team and with the EtherFi team. Maybe I can help you get approved somehow. I know that some jurisdictions are not approved yet and might be approved later, and that sucks. I know even my personal friends sometimes didn't get approved. So let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I can help you out to get approved, and maybe we'll get more active referrals as well. That's about it, guys. I just wanted to be transparent and show you like how it looks behind the scene as a KOL, someone who truly believes in a product, who uses it on a daily basis. It's really a good product. So feel free to check my link in the description to get those extra $50 and start earning cash back with crypto. Spend crypto and get cash back. Nothing better than that. Real DeFi come into your day-to-day life experience, getting yield on USDC, getting awesome cashbacks, using crypto, it's spendable, and so many more features. Feel free to check my other videos about the best crypto card, EtherFi. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.